Stock number 40359W. It's a 2015 Ford Escape. It does have a key. Does not start. Due to the front end damage, you can see right here. Radiator support's bent. The vent cowl is bent. The air vent cooler's broken, I believe. Front bumper's no good. Got a little parking lot ding right here on the passenger front door. Got a little parking lot ding right here on the passenger quarter panel. Here, door's bent from opening from this front fender. The fender's no good. The steering wheel airbag is deployed. The knee airbag is deployed. The driver seat belt's locked. It does have a key. Because of the damage, it does not start. Interior is in pretty good condition. You can see the driver knee airbags deployed, steering wheel airbags deployed. Glove box. Passenger review mirror. There's the driver's side. The hood's no good. You can see the damage right there. And this is stock number 40359W. It's a 2015 Ford Escape.